Hi viewers, welcome to all. Here we are discuss about your project design and analysis of high-speed valid stream multiplier using parallel prefix adder for VLSI circuit design. In a digital gadgets application-based arithmetic operation, a multiplier will take a major role to support several multiplication algorithms. By the way, it's taken more logic sizes and power consumptions. As per the research of last few decades among various multiplication algorithms, a valid stream multiplications will provide a effective terms of low logic sizes and more speed of operations. In a recent arithmetic application-based circuit designs will have more demand with a high speed and low area. In this manner, the proposed approach of this work will improve the speed of valid stream multiplier using force to compressor method without degrading its area parameter. Thus, the proposed method will integrate more efficient and more reliable Kongstone parallel prefix adder, Bohum parallel prefix adder, SK-Lansky parallel prefix adder, Ladner-Fischer parallel prefix adder, Hand-Carlson parallel prefix adder based operations in the valid stream multiplications on final addition stage of 16-bit data width. Similarly, the proposed multiplications will design using Verilog HDL and synthesized in Xilinx Spartan 6 FPGA and hence proved all the parameters in terms of area, delay and power. Now we can verify the base paper. The figure 1 shows the various phases of multiplications in valid stream multiplier. Okay, and this is a black cell and gray cell for parallel prefix addition. Okay, and this figure 6 and figure 7, figure 8, figure 9 and 10, okay, they are designed of 5 different parallel prefix adder on here. Okay, that architectures will be given on here. Okay, Kongstone adder and SK-Lansky adder, and this one is a Bohum adder and Ladner-Fischer adder and Hand-Carlson adder. Okay, and finally they are designed a valid stream multiplier with this format. Okay, so what we have proposed this work means we are modified this valid stream adder with a compressor 4:2 method. Okay, for existing method of valid stream multiplications, okay, it's having number of stages. Okay, so stage 0, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 and PPA final addition. Okay, and here what is the disadvantages means in the disadvantages they are used only the half adders and full adder part. Okay, so based upon this half adder and full adder part the number of stages will be increased. Okay, so here we are used a compressor 4:2 method to reduce the number of stages. Here it will be take only 2 stages, stage 0 and stage 1 and parallel prefix addition PPA method. Okay, for this 4:2 compressor we are used one reference paper, the comparison and extensions of approximate 4:2 compressor for low power approximate multiplier. Okay, so in this paper they are designed the number of 4:2 compressor method and they are finalized 3 compressor method for the best performance evaluations. Okay, here we are used the figure 3a. This is the architecture we are used on this valid stream method. Okay, to take very less complexity and very less area delay. Okay, now we can verify the Verilog HDL coding for this design. Okay, so here this is a SK-Lansky adder 16-bit. Okay, so here we are forcing the input. This is a test bench coding and this is a SK-Lansky adder code and this is a stage 1 operations and this is some logic. Okay, and this is a simulation output of this SK-Lansky adder. Okay, here you can add 6 plus 4 equal to 10, 7 plus 8 equal to 15 and 8 plus 12 equal to 20. Okay, so you can run anywhere. Okay, and we can possible to check easily. Okay, and place the cursor on here. 3862 plus 15428. Okay, you can check the answer 19290. Okay, and we are designing this parallel prefix adder method for SK-Lansky, Ladner-Fischer, Kongstone and Hand-Carlson method. All the 16-bit adders we are designing. Okay, for security reason we can't possible to show all the codes. Okay, and this is a multiplier codes. Okay, so for this multiplier codes we can possible to show only the Kongstone adder. Okay, so this is a multiplier for Kongstone. Okay, so this is a multiplier for 8-bit. Okay, partial product generation, and this is a multiplication part. Okay, so here we are used for 4:2 compressor method, and finally we are used for Kongstone adder. Okay, and this is a compressor coding. Okay, this is a Kongstone 16-bit addition. Okay, and this multiplication simulation we are shown on here. Okay, so 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 32, and 12 6 are 72. Okay, you can check, and you can check anywhere. Okay, place the cursor on here. Okay, now I can check with the calculator. Okay, 52 into 154. Okay, so the output will be same, right? 8008. Okay, and we can show the synthesis report for this addition part and multiplication part, and this is a Valastri multiplication for 8-bit, and this is a synthesis report. Okay, LUT is 151 and occupied slices is 50 and IOBIS is 32. This synthesis report for Valastri multiplication with a Kongstone adder. Okay, so you can verify the RTL schematic on here. Okay, this is the RTL schematic. So this is a compressor method based architecture, full adder with the OR gate, and this is a final addition. Okay, Kongstone adder. So if you open this, we will get a Kongstone adder with a multiplier. Okay, and okay, so this is a prefix adder. Okay, black cell, gray cell. Okay, so everything will be have on here. Okay, and this is a summary and synthesis report. We can check delay 20.896 nanoseconds. Okay, and we can check power, let's take 14 millivolt, and we can show the SK Lansky at a 16-bit operation. Okay, this is a synthesis report, and this is a RTL schematic. Okay, so final sum addition logic. Okay, and we are compared all these parameters and will be drawn as a table. Okay, this is a comparison of parallel prefix adder. So comparison of 16-bit parallel prefix adder, Kongstone Behrendt and SK Lansky ladder feature, Han Carlson. Okay, so slice LUTs and occupied slices IOBIS delay power, and this is a comparison chart and Valastri multiplier comparison. Okay, we can also compare the LUT slices IOBIS delay power. Okay, so this is a comparison analysis chart. Okay, and we are written abstract document for this project. Title, base paper abstract, improvement of this project, proposed title, existing system, disadvantages, proposed system, parallel prefix adders notes, literature survey, finally references. Okay, thank you.
If you need more video related with VLSI projects implementation, please like and subscribe this channel.